You know my... Hi everybody. Hey Kashish. Hi you guys. Let me just take this off. Oops. Hi Cash. Hello you guys. I'm in middle of doing my makeup and what's up? What is happening? Are you planning on doing any giveaway? Of course, it's my birthday. I mean, it's my birthday span. I don't know what to call it. Like birthday month, of course, but then we're under 20 days. So, yep, lots of giveaways on my YouTube this time, not Instagram. So I'm doing them on YouTube. Also, okay, I was saying something, but then let it be. You're so pretty without makeup. Thank you. What's up? What is happening with you guys? Hello, hi. When will you start the giveaway? It will be planned in the span of entire these 20 days. I really like you. Thank you so much. Doesn't matter who likes me, who doesn't like me. As they say, I wasn't born to wake up each day so that I could be liked by everybody. Also, it's okay. I mean, it's okay for people to hate you, right? That is when you know that you're doing something right. Also, when you talk about Not So Sak, she does not follow me, but she views my story quite a lot, which I know, and she's also DM'd me, I think, asking me about where one item of piece is from, so that's also there. And Ria, I don't think, like, she's my classmate, and we not get along well, like we never tried to, but we've had a shoot together and we are pretty okay with each other, is what I think. At least there's nothing from my side. I never comment about anything ever, like about them, never spoken about them, but yeah, you are so cute. Thank you so much. Also, I mean, you know, when you are someone who's so out there, like I am and I cannot tolerate anything from anybody, like even from my mom. Like even when my mom is wrong, I go out there and tell her that listen, you're wrong and I cannot tolerate this. You have to be right at all times. Even with my family, I even, something happened on my family group the other day, and I called out one of my cousins, and everybody in the family was like, why do you had to do this on the family group? Like, you should not do it, let it pass, like it's not harming you. But I was like, no, it was wrong, I had to tell it. So that is something that I believe a lot in, that I will always support right, no matter what. So that is why you get a lot of people that hate you, because everybody cannot tolerate the truth, and we all know this. So I don't think there's anything to go haywire about that. Oh, why do people not like me? I have so many of you beautiful angels who like me. I have so many people whom I'm friends with. You can ask my entire class right now, literally entire class. And those are the people that matter to me from SD, because I go every morning and see their faces and not everybody else's face. So I think the class that I have right now, my friends. Also, I'm not a people pleaser at all, not at all. Like, I cannot go to people and start buttering them, or get the buttering done, everything like that. So yeah. Do you know Preeti? I know Preeti, she's my cousin. You're so pretty when you do your makeup. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I was saying that I am not a people pleaser at all. Like, I'm the last person who's gonna please people. So it's okay. I guess I'm not here to please everybody, and I'm not just saying it because I have to give an answer right now. I am this in real life. Like, even when I have friends, I'm not after them all the time. Like, I cannot please everybody. Even if my friends are wrong, I will go tell them. Even if my mom is wrong, I'll go tell her that listen, I cannot tolerate this and this is wrong, I'm sorry. I always do that, always, to everybody. So I don't know if you remember, I'd put up a story here, it was a tweet, and I'd put up a story of that tweet here, saying that my school boyfriend had once gotten him beaten because he did something, he did a mischief, and school sirs could not catch who did it, and I knew that I knew that he was the one who did it, and I went to the sir and complained about my own boyfriend because I knew he was behind the mischief. So I do that all the time to all the people, and this is back from school, I guess 11th or 10th standard. So I do that always to everybody. I cannot please people. I cannot tolerate wrong, and it's not about wrong happening with me. I cannot tolerate wrong happening anybody, anything happening wrong, I cannot tolerate. I don't know, I'm just made that way, so I speak up a lot. I am very out there, I'm very straight and on your face always, and I'm also very sweet, so it's fine. I have a lot of you angels at the end of the day, and I don't really need people, to be very honest. Who I have to continuously 24/7 unki chatte raho, I cannot do that, I'm sorry. Even when it comes to the closest ones. Without makeup also, you look so pretty. Thank you. Which is your favorite Sindhi dish? There are lots. I like Sindhi curry, also I like chane ki dal, pulav, all of that. So yeah. Hi. Also, every time I come live, why do you have to ask me these intense questions? I come here to chill and just just let you guys know. I do the same, but the people around me get upset ki why do you have to complain and stuff. People around me also get mad all the time, because as we all know, people cannot tolerate the truth, and the entire class goes against me, the entire, I don't know, everybody goes against me, but I cannot just tolerate. So I'd rather make my peace of mind and do the right thing and make calm my mind down, rather than satisfying other people by not speaking up. I am just that, and I cannot do anything else. I'm so sorry. Like I am very nice, but when something's wrong is happening, like something wrong's happening, I cannot be nice. I am marrying a Sindhi. Any tips? That's so cool. Sindhis are the coolest people, I believe. And you will be happy, hopefully. Any tips? I don't know. I don't know any particular tips. Hello, hi Devanshi. Took a nap. Yup, I took a nap. I woke up. Now I'm getting ready to work. Whoever you are, Potato, KM, ZZZ, ZZZ, whatever it is, I am not interested in knowing what they're doing and what they're not doing. It's their life, let them live. This is my life. I'm not friends with them, so I don't want to know. Even if I'm friends with somebody, I don't want to know what they're doing. So thank you for your information, but I'm really not interested in this gossip and any gossip ever. So spare me from this, spare my life from this. We're not trying to be negative here, so just take your information out here. And yeah, thank you. I miss my best friend. I miss you more, Devanshi. I wish I can just come. Because you're successful, everybody hates. Let's keep it that way. I don't mind. But why discuss why people are hating me, guys? Let's discuss why do you all love me. That's so much better. Makes me feel better, makes you feel better, makes everybody feel better, keeps the vibe of this live positive rather than focusing on why people are hating me. Because I'm honest, I'm out there, I am successful, I am independent, I am gorgeous. That's why people hate me. Simple as that. So I don't want to pay any attention to that. Anyways, I am not here for long, so that might also be the reason that I am hurrying into not discussing this topic, because I am not here till long. I'll just close this live in next 5 minutes. Are you okay with online coaching, or do you miss going college? I miss going college. I'm not okay with online coaching. Hey, hi. Your birth date is on which date? My birthday is on 24th of August. We love you, Kashish. I love you more. Hey, beautiful. Hello. Hi, you guys. Also, just for your context, my teachers at SD love me, and I've done 2 internships in 2 years while handling my business, and expanded my business into 2 more branches, which is Shop Casey Closet and the Secret Project that's coming up. There's just so much that I'm doing. I don't feel like I'm lacking something, or if I'm lacking people, like if I'm having people who hate me, there's a genuine. You're my fave YouTuber. Thank you so much. How is fashion studying possible online? Because you'll have to do practical things and stuff. Studying fashion is a very broad line. I study fashion communication, and that's very much possible online because we are online all the time. Yeah, so I mean, that's how it works. I'm not facing any issues. Practical is for fashion design, and fashion design and fashion communication are 2 really different things, and fashion communication can go online. do the whole makeup in live. I cannot. Once I finish the eyes, I will go offline. All this isn't hectic like college YouTube is how you managing neat tips. It's just because it's my passion and I'm not paying attention to who likes me, who does not like me, and I'm not managing those dramas like, you know, oh, I'll have to be politically correct here. I want to impress her. You know, she can't talk bad about me. I'll have to be nice to her. I'm not pretending anything. I'm just, you know, balling everything in life. I am just who I am, and that makes half my stress go away because I don't have to pretend. I don't have to, you know, take care of things. Oh, मैंने इसको क्या बोला था? Oh, I have to be nice to her. Oh, she's coming here. Oh, she's around here. Oh, she's going to be in my online classes, so I have to be nice. Oh, she's going to be in front of me in my college 5 hours, 6 hours every day. I have to be nice. That's not happening. I am stress free in life. I speak what I want to. My mind is extremely clear because I don't keep these rubbish thoughts in my mind, stocked up in my mind against people or for people who don't like me, or, you know, for people who I don't like. So, you know, I'm not handling all that stress. So my mind is free. I'm focused on business. So that is how I feel. You do too much hard work for YouTube, but it's not giving you that good results. It will come. I'm not, you know, I'm not rushing into anything. I do this for passion, and I didn't do this for results. When I started, my intent was to not make money. Like, not making money was not my intent. I do it because I like doing it, and yup. You're born in 2001. No, I'm born in 2000. Are you old school friends? Are your old school friends supporting you? My OG friend group is 100% mine, and I love them. You're so positive. Thank you so much. Please reply to my previous message. I have an Instagram page and I've started selling artwork, but I'm not getting a lot of response. I really need to do it because if I any tips. It's just that I think be consistent, because no business gonna give you instant result. Like, I don't get the best results till date, as you guys know, as you guys said yourself. So all the businesses need, you know, time, especially social media. Yeah, sending you so much love. Thank you. Still assignment, starting YouTube also editing, it's all too much. So you work late night. I manage my time. I take proper sleep. Sleep is something that I really need to be on my time. It's just because it's my passion, it all gets managed. I honestly don't have a tip or trick that I do. Hi Haifa, what is up? Want haul videos? I'm actually going to shoot a haul video today, so you will have it soon on YouTube. Also, if you don't know, I have started KC Turns 20, which is 20 days of continuous videos on my YouTube for my birthday celebration, and we have all sorts of videos in that. So haul's gonna come. Love seeing girls grow. Thank you so much. Excited for your new project. I am very excited too, and that's it. My eyes are done. I'll move on to my brows and try on haul. Definitely try on this time, and I hope you're doing well. Haifa is one of our OG fam members, and she's always supported me so much. So yeah, thank you so much for joining in. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, I need to continue doing my makeup. Your favorite fragrance? There's a lot actually, but this is my OG favorite. Room tour video is already up on YouTube already. To be honest, I didn't like you much, but right now you've converted into loving how real you are, and hope you're same in real life. So positive. Oh my god, love you. Sorry for hurting you. That's okay, I don't mind. Love you more, Haifa. Thank you so much. As I said, I'm not paying attention to who likes me, who doesn't like me. It's just my way, my life, and these people who don't like me are not going to pay my bills 10 years from now, are not going to matter 10 years from now, and I'm only onto things that are going to matter for the future cash. as I've always been. What I'm doing right now has been my dream since forever, since I was 10 years old, and I'm always focusing on the future and doing what would make me happy when I'm sitting 10 years later now, when I'm sitting somewhere and thinking about what have I done. So I want to be happy, I want to be satisfied, and any of these people won't matter that time. People who hate me, people what was Isdi saying about me wouldn't matter when I'm on the top of my business. So that's the tea, and thank you so much guys. Mat jao, I hear you, but it's already 3:30 and अभी मैंने makeup finish नहीं किया है, and I want to go shoot because sun तो as in sunlight, natural light चली जाएगी around 6 and I'll be too late if I stay here. But I will come back. It's always a promise to come back, and thank you for so much love. I need to go now.